she is dead wrong for
are
that.
not the
That's my baby. Let's see what you want. Hey baby, what's up? Uh-huh. What, you coming to see me next weekend? Mm-hmm.
Nah.
What?
I'm in town right now.
Right now? Where you at?
I'm about 3 blocks away from your house.
Right now. Stop playing with me.
Yeah.
Stop playing with me.
Baby, remember you told me you want more surprises, more attitude, stuff like that. I'm trying to be glad that you want me to be.
Oh my God. It's not that right now. It's just, I'm just shocked. You know, I'm just, oh my God. I mean, wow. I can't believe this.
Well, if you got a problem with it,
No. Come through.
Yeah, okay. See, that's what I'm talking about. Hey, you got all the dress I like.
Baby, now you forgot who you talking to. You know I'm always ready. Baby, you know I go to sleep ready. You know I'm looking good for you.
Hey, I'm gonna be over there in like 10 minutes, okay?
Okay, all right. Text me when you get outside. What the? Okay. No, he did not. No, he did not surprise me when I told him I wanted him to surprise me more. What in the world right now? God, what we gonna do? Like 10 minutes, but right now is around the corner. What we gonna do? You paid for a man to change. And he changes at the wrong time. Now you want to surprise me? Now? We got this.
Do you all read about this or hear this? That you used to go up on Mulholland Drive and park
every night
and visualize seeing yourself as.
Yeah, I would visualize.
This is when you were broke and poor.
You know, right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things, and they're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years, or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995, just before Thanksgiving 1995.
I knew we could do it, girl. I knew we could do it. Nadula got me all the way together. I knew we could do it. See, we just gotta chill. I knew we could do it. Hey, babe, you outside? Yes, I'm ready. Here I come. Stop, baby.